Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2007 Harley Davidson Softail Custom. This cruiser has 16,800 miles on it roughly, and it still is in incredible condition. It's got a couple of minor scuffs on it and a couple of little rock chips, but no tip over or lay down damage. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, and then we'll fire it up for you. Like I said, they've done a great job of keeping this bike clean. Front tire, still in great shape, plenty of miles left on that. It comes with 10-inch rise T-bars, as well as a Screamin' Eagle air intake. Aftermarket front pegs and pedals with the heel rest. This bike has also had the baffles perforated on it. It also comes with a passenger backrest and luggage rack. And this rear tire, excellent condition still, plenty of miles left on that. And again, the aftermarket pegs with the heel rests. As well as the 10-inch bars again. So, also comes with an aftermarket gas cap. $16,727 is what's on it. This 2007 Harley Davidson Softail Custom has been through our pre-sale inspection, and as with all our other motorcycles, for the entire time you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course more accessories for it. So, thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.